The local media was today engaged on oil revenues and green growth during a lunchtime lecture facilitated by the Ghana Press Association in collaboration with Conservation International Guyana. Tiffany Rogers has that report.
The Green Paper on the Management of Petroleum Revenues' Strength is the seriousness with which it takes transparency and accountability. Andrew Barr, a consultant with Natural Resources Governance Institute, says.
I think the strongest elements of the Green Paper are this multi-layered accountability structure. Essentially, the way it works is Parliament is the ultimate authority. The manager of the fund, meaning the person or group that says where we should be investing, is the Ministry of Finance. The central bank is the operational manager. They're the ones who do the trading in stocks and bonds. And then they hire external managers. So basically, this is similar to a lot of funds out there.
The Green Paper was published by the Ministry of Finance in August to capture key issues for consideration in the establishment of a fiscal rule and sovereign wealth fund to manage oil revenues. Barr noted the Green Paper addresses 4 relevant issues that Guyana will face in oil and gas development. Those are the pre-source curse, volatility, the Dutch disease, and oil being a non-renewable commodity.
The ministry I've spoken to the ministry, and they are well aware of all these challenges. They have been studying this topic for a while. They understand the issues, and credit where credit's due. At least I spoke to the civil servants are doing their best to try to avoid the mistakes made by other countries.
The Natural Resource Governance Institute, an international organization, offers technical support to improve countries' governance over their natural resources. The institute works with governments and international civil society bodies. For InfoHub, Tiffany Rogers.